Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity for the 2024-2025 even 2026 pass out batch. So first important opportunity from the job bureau, and they are hiring software developer intern. So out the bureau, this is one of the important company, and they are the fintech company. Okay, so about the role, so what will you do? You will build and ship backend features, API, microservices, write clean, scalable, and testable production code, work on database system design, all those things. So what will bring you? So you should have strong fundamental knowledge in data structure and algorithm, that is DSA and OOPS concept. You should have proficiency in at least one backend language, either Java, Python, Node.js, Go, or similar language. Understanding of API, database, SQL, NoSQL, and this is a requirement and problem solving mindset. So good to have if you have some experience with cloud platform, then it's good. And if you don't have, then still you can apply. So 2026, 2025 all can apply, and this is the compensation. So they will give you good salary and flexible timing and all those things. So if you are interested, you can apply for this important hiring. Coming to next, that is Capgemini internship hiring is still going on. So if you haven't applied it, then I will suggest must apply for this. And this is for the Mumbai Airoli office location. So if you are comfortable with Mumbai only, then you should apply. Okay. Coming to next important opportunity, that is from the Siemens, and this was an important opportunity especially for 2026 pass out batch. Okay, so student 8 not yet graduated mean 2026 pass out or 2027 if fund, they can also apply because this is your intern positions. Okay, and Simon is a good company, you know very well. So job type is a full time and employment time fixed term, so there is a strong chance of conversion into PPO if you have been selected. And what will you need to do means, so what will you need to, so enroll in third or fourth university program means 2026 as well as 2027 pass out batch can apply. JavaScript, TypeScript, modern SPA framework, if you have knowledge of all those things and these are things, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity from the Simons. And friends, make sure to apply as soon as possible, because if you will apply late now, then might happen that job link will be expire. Okay, so that's the thing I want to tell. Coming to next important opportunity from the Collision Technology, they are hiring a SEO analyst, that is software engineer optimization analyst, and who should apply the most competitive profit sharing bonus plan. And these are the things you will get, that the medical facility, gym, and other things. So you should have a strong fundamentals of SEO best practice means, if you have some knowledge of SEO, knowledge of how AI tool like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Perplexity can enhance SEO, proficiency in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and excellent written and communication skills. So if you are aligning with all these tech stack, then I will suggest everyone you should apply for this. And friends, main thing that keep applying for other off campus. Okay, currently off campus TCS NQT hiring has been announced, and I already made detailed video on that. So if you haven't applied for it, you should apply, and you can subscribe us. I regularly post important job update. Okay, so if you don't want to miss, you can subscribe us. Coming to next important opportunity from a very good company, that is from the Autodesk. They are hiring for the role of software development engineer, and this is a full-time role. So job posted 2 days ago, and this will be responsibilities, that is the design, develop, and maintain automation workflow, integrate automation workflow, integrate the code, all things. And what is the minimum qualification? So experience 0 to 2 year means 2024 2025 batch can apply. Okay, and if you're fresher, then also you should apply. And if you have experience on JSON means working knowledge of JSON on YAML, then you can, means you are good to go. Okay, so these are some of the important opportunity. And friend, if you have been selected for any company interview and want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can schedule us. That will basically boost confidence for the real interview. Okay, and you should apply for that if you are interested. So finally मिलते हैं next video में. If you have any query, feel free to ask here. We are here to help you, and keep applying and keep hunting. Thank you.